G'day, rainy day here at the farm, so I am in the shed working. So I thought I'd show you what I do when I'm putting a fresh chain on my chainsaw. 395 Husqvarna, new chain. Well, fresh chain. Pretty simple. We undo the lugs. Make sure the chain brake is off, and then that comes off very simply. Chain brake sits in there, chain pulls out, slides back, then once you slip the chain back, take off the end, enough from behind the clutch wheel. Next trick is on the Husky 395, down the back here, this is the chain tightener. You turn it anti-clockwise 6 or 8 times. What that's doing, if you actually look down a bit inside, while I'm adjusting it backwards, see that this part is moving to the rear, basically making it looser. Over loose now. Anyway. While I've got the bar off, check it. Recently been dressed. No burr along the top and no burr along the bottom. So I can put it back on. When I put it back on, bang over here a little bit. Okay, probably better now. Take out a new chain. Rotation of a chain is this direction. So when it's cutting, it's actually cutting back this way. We're using the bottom of the bar. So what we need is the chain. Here's the tooth of a chain. That's the cutting edge. That's the raker, and that's the back edge. So we need the cutting edge on the top that way, and obviously on the bottom facing the opposite direction. On a Husqvarna, we drop it on the back, all the way down the chain, and then we push it in so it goes over the nose. This is why we pushed it back out there, so that point would go through that little hole. Righto. At this point, I would normally put the rear cover on, but I'm going to show you what's happening here. When I wind it, you can see the chain coming back up. All right, wouldn't go any further than that. All right. Now this is the chain guard. So these two holes match with these two holes. This big ring matches this big ring. All right, so put it in, the 2 holes into the 2 holes, and push it in like that. Screws come out there. Put 2 nuts on, fairly tight, well, finger tight. Finger tight. And we take the tool supplied, we go back into that section in here. It's hard to see, not really working. Go back in this section in here, and we tighten it up. When you tighten the chain, you should, yeah. See how the first few want to come out and it wants to flick back in? That's plenty tight enough. It'll be a little bit too tight. Back that off a little bit. Running fine. Now, good up. Put a bit of hurt on. I'll lose those nuts, like I've already done here. Alright, done. That's it. Chain done. Fresh chain on. Cut away. Thanks for watching.